Hello everyone. So this is going to be a short tutorial on how to use the image editor of Professional that you might have purchased. I'm sure you might have purchased the Professional upgrade so that you are able to access the image editor inside it. So just click on access and you will be redirected to the image editor of ours. Now there are two things that it asks. You can either provide an image URL or you can upload from a computer. I'll go with the computer one. I'm just going to import this artwork and then we uh, not save, just go to layers and see, just unlock the layer. Okay, I'll reduce the image size and see what I can add to this particular image. So we'll add text. Try for free, try free for 60 days. We're going to align it uh, between the image, in the center of the image, and we'll go with something else. Now we have a draw option, but not going to use it for now. And there are filters that you can use, which is invert, sepia, and others. For now, I don't want this filters to be used. So let's go with the stickers one. So there are multiple stickers that you can use on your image. We will go with some beach stickers. You can use this as an icon. You can use this as a watermark to your video, to your image particularly. You can resize them, add multiple of these. You can also change the layer type. Let's say if you want the image, if you have a PNG image and you want the sticker to be below the image, you can just drag it down or drag it up, whatever it is. You can do that. And there are some other options that we can say. Let's try something with draw. Okay. So let's say if you want to draw something like this, I'm just playing around with it. I hope you understand that this is not a final project or a project that I want to use somewhere. But we'll go with circle. We have the option to add a circle. If you want to add a text in the circle, we can also do that. We'll go with text, Pacifico, and where is the option to we don't need the background for the text right now. I don't think so I want to add a text. It's just that I wanted to add that particular text that we had uh, on the video, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So that's all for the editor of VDs, and there are multiple possibilities that you can see and use with the image editor. You can create multiple Facebook uh, ad graphics if you want to, and you can add some basic watermarks to your images if you want using a particular software, using our image editor. And that's it. I hope this helps. Please let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. If you want to create something particular, please let me know in the support chat and I'll guide you over how to go about it and how to work with that particular image and how to create something like that in the image editor. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.